everybody, MyTubePM here. Today we're going to make 12 sparkling colors of glitter glue slime. And I have here a pack with 12 sparkling colors of glitter glue. You can write, draw, and decorate with them, or you can make slime. So let's get started. Here's all the colors we have. We have a glitter white, glitter pink, glitter orange, glitter yellow, glitter light green or aqua. We got glitter purple, got glitter silver, glitter red, glitter dark purple, glitter blue, glitter green, and glitter gold. These are all cute little bottles, so we're going to get started by taking the clear white. I'm going to pour it in a bowl. Now I have some water and borax. If you watch my other videos, you'll have the exact recipe. And I'm going to mix some of that in with the glue and stir it. Just keep stirring until it gets all mixed in and it starts getting non-sticky. Very slimy. So this one is about ready. Look how beautiful that is. White with some sparkly glitter. Might be hard to see with a camera. Awesome slime. Can stretch it a lot. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one we're going to work on is the pink. Glittery pink. Going to squirt it. There we go. Nice stretchy pink with lots of glitter. Next we're going to do orange. It orange glitter slime. Now we're going to do silver. Red is next. And purple. Next we have yellow. Blue. Here's the teal green. Here's the green. Purple, light purple. Now we're going to do gold, the last color. Okay, so now we're going to make some Floam to finish it all up, and I'm going to take some Elmer's glue and pour about maybe 2 cups into this container. I'm going to make a lot of slime from this. That's about good. I'm going to mix the borax solution. And here we have a big chunk of white slime. In order to make foam, we need some polyfill mini-sized microbead fillers. They're like little teeny tiny styrofoam balls. So I have a Ziploc bag with them, and I'm going to mix our white slime in there. And the reason why we put it inside the Ziploc bag is so the microbeads don't just fly everywhere, because they're very staticky. So now we're just going to mix it all in. Like a big snowball. Might be better to work it in little sections like this, because we want this slime to be kind of rough, tough. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is make some little containers for each one of the slime. That completes our glitter glue slime video. We hope you enjoy it. It's so much fun to make glitter glue slime and mix it all up and just watch it spread. Thanks for watching MyTubePM. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time. Make it fun!